Tamil Nadu, a state where the oceans meet, cultures blend and people prosper, is now opening its doors to a new world. A world of clean, green source of energy. Today, the nation's development is propelled by a robust gas-based economy, and Tamil Nadu embraces too.
Energy is a key driver of socio-economic growth. India is making rapid strides towards a gas-based economy.
As the nation unites under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Tamil Nadu is poised to get an impetus to its economy by 3 new projects. India's premier oil company, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, has laid a 144-kilometer-long Ramanathapuram-Thoothukudi natural gas pipeline, which is a part of Ennore-Tiruvallur-Bengaluru-Puducherry-Nagapattinam-Madurai-Thoothukudi natural gas pipeline. Takes ahead the mission of One Nation, One Gas Grid, with a designed capacity of 8 MMSCMD. This pipeline, which originates from Ramanathapuram, commercializes the gas produced from ONGC gas fields. It ensures continuous affordable fuel and feedstock for petrochemical and fertilizer industries in the area. Natural gas replaces naphtha, reducing subsidy burden on the government. Large number of farmers will be benefited as they would be supplied with affordable fertilizer. This pipeline shall be connected to Ennore LNG terminal to transport imported, regasified green piped natural gas to households, industries and commercial units across southern India. It feeds compressed natural gas to transport sector, creating pollution-free environment. Kaveri Basin Refinery shall be constructed by Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited and its partners at Nagapattinam. Once operational, this refinery shall transform Nagapattinam into one of the leading petroleum hubs of the nation. With an estimated cost of rupees 31,500 crore, this refinery manifests the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat as the technology is indigenously developed by the Indian Oil Research and Development Department. This visionary project will not only maintain steady supply of fuel to the southern part of the country, but also helps in bringing new downstream businesses and industries, bettering the socio-economic levels of the state. The gasoline desulfurization unit at CPCL Manali is now operational. This unit desulfurizes about 0.6 million metric tons per annum of gasoline from FCC unit to produce low-sulfur environment-friendly gasoline. This unit demonstrates government's commitment towards making Tamil Nadu a clean and environmentally friendly state. These projects shall generate lakhs of direct and indirect job opportunities, boosting development in the aspirational districts of southern Tamil Nadu. Honorable Prime Minister lays foundation stone at Kaveri Basin Refinery, Nagapattinam, dedicates Ramanathapuram Thoothukudi natural gas pipeline and gasoline desulfurization unit at CPCL Manali to the nation today. Prosperous Tamil Nadu, Atmanirbhar Bharat.